Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda if you are new, and today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this beautiful regal high pony look that I created. Well, I didn't create it, but I just did. I posted a photo on Instagram. I'm not sure if you guys have seen, but I will put my Instagram handle somewhere up here and the photos for you guys to see. Do not forget to go follow me on Instagram. By the way, to achieve this look, I used the Darling Marley Kinky hair. Looks like this, and I'm feeling it. I'm loving it. It's very snatched. It's very regal, like I said. And look at this. It looks like my hair. Like, it looks like this is all me, but it's not. It's giving me, who's this? Vanessa Bell Calloway of Coming to America. It's giving me that. It's giving me Beyoncé. It's giving me Glam Queen. It's just giving me. And these hoops are just adding to everything, honey. But enough of my rambling. Keep on watching. If this is the video that you're looking for to achieve high pony ponytail look, then keep on watching. Please do not please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share it, and here we go to the voiceover.
Hi, okay, so this is when it's already made. I took a gonondo ponytail and then I just used the Darling Marley Kinky hair that I just showed you. Here's the strand. I just made a loop, like a tiny loop, how you do with the crochet hair, and then I just wrapped it around the ponytail. And as you can see, I took from my right hand and then I shoved it into the loop I made earlier, and then you just pull what you pulled through into the loop, and then you're gonna tighten it like I will do just now. There you go. And then that's how I made my ponytail. Next, what I did, I took my spray bottle. This was just a bottle that I used from the Pearl Juicy Hair Juice, and then I just wet my hair thoroughly, not too much, just so that my hair could be manageable. Then I took my brush, soft bristle brush, to comb up my hair, just to motivate it to stretch out a little bit more. I had stretched it out before. I just needed it to be, more stretched out so that it could reach the top of my head. Next, I went in with the Got2b Ultra Glued Styling Gel for edges, just to lay my hair down, lay my edges down so that it is laid for the gods. Then I picked up my soft bristle brush back up again, just to brush that flat down. This is an extreme sport. Natural hair is an extreme sport, and it took some time to get all of this hair up, so okay, now I'm actually making the ponytail. I think I looped it around Klampe Gatatu before I put it into the little bun, as you can see. very tight, very secure, very flat, laid. I told you for the guards. And then I've just brushed it all back down. No wispies here, no ma'am. Then I picked up another gonondo just to make the previous bun even more rounded and flat for the hair. Then I picked my got-to-be again and a toothbrush just to do my edges. Then the obvious next step is to take a satin silk scarf to lay down your edges and where I applied the got-to-be. Whilst that was being laid, I took my already made ponytail and I'm just going to show you now how I applied it onto my hair. I first made it into a figure 8 like so, and then I put it down like this until it made a 0 like so. Then I took it from behind. I put where you see the ponytail, I put it from behind. Then I'm just going to round it around my ponytail, my little bun, and then flip it over like so. Okay, it does look a little bit crazy, but don't worry, we're still gonna finesse it. We're still gonna, tweak it a little bit. We still got a little bit more work to do, so don't worry. Next, you're gonna take a piece of your Marley Kinky hair from the back of your ponytail, and then you're going to circle it around your ponytail like I am showing you right now, and then you're just going to tuck it in wherever it's little, like I did, like I'm doing right now. Now I'm taking another piece just to make it more visible, just to make it more secure, make it more natural looking, I suppose, I guess. And I'm just going to do the same process, take it around the ponytail and then tuck it in where there's a little left. Okay, we're almost done. This hair is very knotty, very tangly. It is synthetic, so knots are bound to happen. It's gonna tangle. Next, you're gonna unravel your satin silk scarf to see your laid edges. And there you go. Your high pony Regal Royal Beyoncé Miss Calloway High Pony Miss Londi High Pony Natural hair look. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you guys find this useful. Please comment down below and show me how you achieved your look. Thank you. Bye.